Omulimu gw'okukola oluguudo lwa Kihihi-Kanungu oluzzeemu Ennyaafa nga luzimbibwa abakampuni ya China Henan International Corporation Kiko nga balabirirwa ab'ekitongole ekivunaanyizibwa ku nguudo mu ggwanga ekyayunula ng'omulimu gwatandika mu mwaka gwa 2018. Ennyaafa okusinga zirabiddwako mu bitundu by'e Kanungu mu byalo okuli Kinyanshwera, mu ggombolola Ennyamu Egabira, Kihihi, Nyamirama ne Kanyantologo. Abantu era balumiriza ekitundu ku mulimu guno okubanga kyakoleddwa mu ngeri yakaliggweramu eyo omuli n'ebigoma ebyassiddwamu.
Mazima tukakora guhora ukuto konka hati waleba emyaka actually tibakarumazire konka hatandishe kuza mwenkanga mwase kandi nangwa hine nahora lebo shange warajyeho ne pichi oshange naho hahongoka mwene turi kwebuza kubaraze kuba baru commission nje barumazire hatiya ruraze kumara emyaka engahe rutakahwireho.
Bagala government esindike bayinginiya okuzuira ddala obuzibu bwe buva.
Cyaba kirabasika government checking bwo batwine ba engineers baze mu baru checking gwa rutabonire barubagarukise mu batakarohereza.
Omumyuka wa radisi w'e Kanungu Gadi Rugaju ahimbisibwe alumirizanga contractor yaweebwa omulimu bw'atalina busobozi bugukola.
You also cater for the environment. But Chico has no environmentalists to cater for the environment here in Kanungu. Now all this land is coming. You look at these trees. You look at those farms. Those are farms of people. Eh? So those farms, it means if the rain comes, we are going to receive dead bodies of people. We are going to receive dead bodies of cattle and goats.
Felix Tumukunde beina Mario akulira ekitongole ky'enguudo ekyayunula e Kabale akasizanga Ennyaafa mu luguudo luno bwe bazimanyi era nga tebatudde kyokka n'agumya abakozesa oluguudo.
In fact, two sections which are for developed cracks. Yes. And we are studying them, we are investigating them, what could be causing the cracks, other than just running to repair the cracks and not knowing the cause, and they reappear.
Started doing engineering studies to know the cause of the problem, because it is about maybe within 100 meters that is affected, and when we are trying to challenge the contractor is telling us it is not quality, it could be other things related, maybe it's a line of earthquake, maybe it is what, so we are trying to wait and see what they will give us.
Yobu Namanya yakusakidde gray no.